Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to fix Messenger sound not working. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you are facing this issue, it's mean like your notification is off or like your mobile phone is on silent or like on silent mode. So you have to do is first check it out if your phone is silent or not. But in my case, I am using iPhone. If you are using iPhone, check it out your mute button if it is off. So let me check it. So as you can see, it's on silent mode, so I have turned off this option. Or like you are facing right now again this issue, you have to check it out your settings and then go to apps, scroll all the way up and go to apps and then search over here Messenger, and then click on this Messenger and then check out your notification is on or not. So as you can see over here, click on notification and then you will see over here my notification is off. If you are facing this issue right now, so if this option is off, so you have to do is click on this notification and turn this notification on, and then check it out if this issue is facing again. So if you are facing this issue again, so let me show you how you can turn on notification on Messenger app. Go to Messenger app and then go to main menu and then click on settings and then scroll up and there you will find a bunch of options over here. So you have to do is click on accessibility and there you will see over here system reduce or like that. So in this app you will see over here notification and sounds. Click on that and then you will see over here on the top, if you are facing this issue, if this option is turned on or like this, if this notification is on do not disturb mode, so you will face this issue. And if you have to do is turn this off and then you will get notification on Messenger app as well, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.